In a narration found in Jami at-Tirmidhi, number 2618, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that between faith and disbelief is abandoning the obligatory prayers. Unfortunately, abandoning the obligatory prayers has become very common amongst Muslims, especially women, who use extremely bad excuses in order to justify giving up their obligatory prayers, such as having makeup on or being at an event when the obligatory prayers occur. Even though establishing the obligatory prayers is obligatory, but doing these other things are not obligatory. If a Muslim taking part in a battle cannot abandon the obligatory prayers, how can one believe these lame excuses will be accepted by Allah, the Exalted, on Judgment Day? In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned in a narration found in Jami at-Tirmidhi, number 413, that the first thing that will be questioned about on Judgment Day is the obligatory prayers. If one fails to establish their obligatory prayers, they will most likely fail on this day. In addition, the Holy Quran has made it clear that establishing the obligatory prayers is the thing which prevents one from falling into a misguided life. Meaning, establishing the obligatory prayers is the first step to having a successful life, which will affect every aspect of one's life. If one fails in this duty, they will only move from one problem to another. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 45.
Indeed, prayer prohibits immorality and wrongdoing.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.